Shivanki Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. This week we have seen a super comeback of the bulls in the Nifty index. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. India VIX dropped by over 18% on a week-on-week basis, which completely says that the bulls are in comfort, and we have seen that any small declines have been utilized for buying. On a weekly basis, we did form a small-bodied bullish candle and we are sort of consolidating in a range. But the good part is that global markets are easing and there is no concern for war, etc. So talking about the levels, we are looking at the recent lifetime high of 22,775 as the next zone to watch out for in the Nifty, and a support of 22,222. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have seen that PSU banks have added to this entire week's rally. Also, private banks had a major role, but then few selective private banks did not add on to the momentum. Now, talking about the levels, 49,000 is the next level to watch out for in the banking index with a support of 47,750 zones. Sector-specific action, we have seen that there has been a lot of strength in the auto space. Defense has been a continuous mover. Also, these sectors are likely to continue for the next week. Now, some focus will also be on the selective railway counters. Also, CPSE space cannot be ruled out. Thank you. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.